Hello, my name is Carl, I'm 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango, and today we're out here in the Peak District. We're operating from the trailer, operating 2 meters, and we'll be doing 6 meters soon. And the plan today really is to just get out and just do a bit of radio, but I brought with me some ex-military man packs. So I'm just going to go for a walk shortly. I'm going to try out the Czechoslovakian RF10 man pack, and Paul's going to be operating the Racal VRM5080 very soon. And the idea is we're just going to do a little bit of a test of the two radios working together. So I'm going to be off walking in the mud, and Paul gets the comfort of the trailer to do a bit of radio. So that's coming up, but for the moment we're going to make some contacts on 2 meters, and then I'll put on a backpack and then work my way up into some sort of muddy hill somewhere. So stick along and we should have some fun.
You're saying that you're in the trailer tells me that you're the owner of the trailer. I can't remember your call sign, but I know who you are now. Okay, you have a great time and enjoy the weather up there. Take care, M0XMX. Now back to listening.
Yeah, okay. My own call sign is G1WHP.
Right, so the plan is I've got the RF10 in the backpack. I've got a whip antenna. I brought with me 2 meters so I can contact Paul on 2, and then we can move over to 6 meters. So I'm out here just walking up to some high ground behind me where these rocks are. I'm going to climb on top of these rocks and hopefully we'll get a contact in. Paul's somewhere over that direction by about 5-6 miles, about 5 miles maybe, and so I should be able, even though I'm using 1 watt on FM on 6 meters, Paul's got the V2000 and he'll be using the Racal VRM, so that should give him up to about 50 watts on 6 meters, so we should make that distance between us. But hopefully I'll give him a shout on 2 meters and arrange the QSY then to 6 meters. So I'll bring you back when I get past all this muddy pathway. This looks decent up here. Right. Lovely views. Paul's over that direction, so that's good clearance there. There's 1 or 2 dog walkers about, but we should be okay here. Right, okay, so we've picked Paul up on 145, 250, and then this is the RF10. We've seen on a previous video. We'll be putting this on to 51 450. So the plan is I'm just going to cut in with Paul in a few minutes, and then we can move to the military radio then as well. Give Paul a few minutes to set himself up. Paul's getting into the rhythm of things here. He's doing quite well.
Thanks for calling in.
I'll see if I can get him.
73, speak to you again.
Try and get Paul now.
Many thanks. QRZ.
2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango Portable.
Kilo Alpha. 2 Echo Zero Echo Zulu Tango, I think it was. Go again, please.
Hello, fancy catching you here, buddy. Yep, it's 2E0EZT. I think I'm mobile, sort of portable, because I've got 2 radios here. I've now found some rocky high ground So I'm all set up for moving to 6 meters. I'm trying out the Czech radio, the RF10 on the 6 meters there, buddy.
Yeah, okay, then that's what we'll do. Carl, I'll just fire it up and I'll see how we go.
Yep, G1WHP 2E0EZT. Yep, that's great, mate. Yeah, the RF10 is working wonderful, and the Racal VRM5080 is coming across really well. Yards around me. It's a bit chilly, but there's no big wind blowing across, so I'm doing okay. It's a bit damp underfoot, but I found a nice little patch here for playing radio. It's about a 10 metre square patch of grass on top of this rocky outcrop, so a good takeoff place, I think. Anyway, back to you, Paul.
The handout that you've got there, the portable setup, and obviously with the height, it's throwing a good signal across to us over here.
But it's working well. Obviously using this Klansman.
Certainly working well.
Yeah, Roger. Yeah, not exactly DX, but for Manpack, it's fun. It's a fun bit of radio. So the Czech radio fits nicely into my smaller Manpack. So I can my smaller backpack, so I can carry it around with me, and the whip can be bent over, so it fits more or less inside the backpack. So a nice, neat little 6 metre setup. Well, that was fun. I managed to easy contact with Paul, given the short distance really with running the V2000 and the Racal. It was easy money, that was. I nearly got into Telford from here, which is that direction, but many miles away. I could pick up Don really well. That was a really strong signal coming in, but with 1 watt I was barely lifting the needle on his radio. But maybe we were a little bit more high ground, maybe another sort of 20 meters, 10 meters up, and may have made that distance, but who knows. But it's a lovely radio, great condition. It's the first time I've actually really used it out in the field. It feels a really, let's just turn that off a second, really well made radio. Fits lovely into the backpack. The whip antenna folds nicely, folds down on itself into the backpack as well, so it can easily be carried about. Well, great radio for occasions like this. If people want to run a small net in a small area like this, we could have a base operator, and these RF10s, you can get them on some of the auction sites for maybe less than £100 with a full kit. So if you had like a group of you had a few of these RF10s between us, we could come out and have some fun with them. But I'm going to head back to the trailer now. I'm going to it's only about a 15-20 minute walk down this path around to where the car is. I'll drive back to the trailer, have some lunch and a cup of tea, and warm up a little bit. The temperature is bearable for this short trip out, but any further I'd have to think about different layers, because you can tell now we're into sort of late autumn and the temperature's dropping a bit now, so it won't be long before we start to see more snow up here, which will be lovely for more outdoor work. So yeah, see you in a minute, back to the trailer, bye bye.
For Tango Juliet Charlie, portable over.
G4TJC, and thank you for calling in. Big signal to us. Take it that you're not too far away. We're up on above the market town.
Right, I'll leave Paul to he's running a tight ship in there on 2 meters, doing really well. The generator's chugging away there on the other side of the trailer. So yeah, we've had fun on 6 meters with the military radios, and just had some lunch, just making sure I'm not wearing any of it. So right, that's it for today. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please give me a like if you have. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and we'll look forward to the next video, and say goodbye to the glorious Peak District. So bye bye for now.